In this video, I'm going to cook my egg stew differently among all standards. How do you cook your egg stew and what is your best combo for it? Journey with me as I whet your appetite. Kindly like, share and leave your comments on this video as we proceed. Our ingredients are habanero pepper, garlic, onion, bell pepper, tomato paste, tomatoes, oil, eggs, salt, mackerel, ripe plantain and yam, that's pona. Our ingredients are set to take you through the process. Pour water onto the tomatoes, onion and bell pepper. Wash and cut into two and take out the seeds from the tomatoes and slice into smaller sizes. Cut the onions into slices and work on the bell pepper. Wash the pepper and garlic and begin to grind in an earthenware bowl known as a potoiwa. Add the garlic and keep grinding. Pour the charcoal into a coal pot and light up the fire. Put a pot on the coal pot, leave it to be hot and pour oil into it. Put the slice of onions and tomatoes into the pan containing the oil and stir. Add the tomato paste and continue to stir. Continue to grind the pepper. Don't grind till smooth. Add the cooking tomatoes and onions in the pan and stir together. Add the mackerel and stir gently. Add salt and mix together. Now we begin to crack the eggs. This is where I would like you to pay attention. Because it's called egg stew, we need to make sure we feel the egg texture in the stew. So we crack the eggs. Don't mix it. Leave it in the bowl form and add to the stew just as it is. Don't stir. We crack 2 more eggs, mix it and add to the stew on fire and leave it to cook under a low-medium heat. Stir gently in order to allow the eggs to tear into pieces and make sure it doesn't burn. Add the slice of onions and bell pepper. Stir and take it off the fire. Put a pot onto the coal pot, pour water into it and cover to boil. We slice the yam into our preferable sizes, put into the pan, wash it very well and put into the pot containing water on fire. Wash the ripe plantain, slice into smaller portions and add to the yam on fire. Add salt and cover with a plantain leaf and a lid and leave it to boil. In some few minutes, our cocoa and pona yam is ready. We take it off the fire and strain the water from it. We separate the plantain from the yam. Serve the yam. Peel off the plantain cover and add to the yam. We now serve the egg stew and boom! Our food is ready for consumption. We pray and begin to enjoy. Our pona yam is very soft and yummy as we wanted alongside with the cocoa. We invite you to join us if you can, or possibly tell us where you're watching us from so we serve you right at your doorsteps. You are the reason why we are here. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Like this video, share and leave your comments for more. Tell us what you would like to see on our channel next and we'll work on it as soon as possible. Much love to you. God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us right now. See you in our next video. Stay safe and bye for now.